What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. What's up, guys? So it's another Jessie's cooking show again, guys. It's been a while. I know it's been a while. I got the bad hairdo going over here, guys. We got the familia over here, minus Ethan Boy because he's playing game. But we have meat. We have meat being softened in the pressure cooker. Jess, what kind of meat is this, Jess? Let the people know what kind of meat this is.
Oxtail.
Oxtail meat.
You found the
oxtail? Does it still have hair on the tail?
No,
or?
of course not. They clean up already.
Oh my goodness. Oxtail.
Yeah.
Isn't the tail the one that wags the flies away from the butthole? Is that right?
The butthole.
I'm just asking, right? Isn't that the like that?
Wow,
Yeah.
what is the oxtail then?
That's what I'm saying. It's a tail. Any tail of any animal is used to wag.
Beef tail.
Is to wag flies away from their butthole. So that means the tail is near the butthole.
It's a beef tail.
Right? Yeah. Okay.
It's a beef tail.
Beef tail.
Beef tail.
Beef tail. Okay, so Jess is gonna make. What is the name of the dish then? Jess, then what's the name of the dish? Kare kare? You say kare kare?
The carry on.
Carry on, carry on. Jess is on the arm. Jess is on the worm here. Okay, so the ingredients, guys. And feel free to pause the video just to get the ingredients, guys, so you don't get confused. But we got tomatoes. We got tomatoes right here, guys. We've got the heart.
Don't touch that. That she can bite you.
Of a banana tree. Is that right? Disgusting.
That's a cooking banana.
Cooking banana heart.
That's not apple banana.
Look at that,
That's
guys.
not chiquitita banana. It's a cooking banana.
Cooking banana.
Yes.
Heart.
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 Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
You need that.
Any heart.
Banana's heart?
My God,
Yeah, the heart.
isn't that? You're mean taking the banana's heart.
It is dead now.
That's mean.
I never did that.
All right. All right. Are these part of the ingredients over here, Jess? No. 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 This is this part? No. No. Okay. It's a raw cooking vlog, guys, and we're a little tipsy. I don't know if you probably can notice from my voice. Just came back from Taps and Hops, and we had a few beers there, so we're feeling kind of tipsy. But you know what? That is not going to stop me from vlogging for you guys. For you guys. So, what we got here? Okay, is this bok choy, Jess? Is this bok choy?
That's not bok choy.
What is this? What is that, Jess?
That's a Chinese cabbage.
Huh?
Chinese cabbage.
Chinese cabbage, guys.
And the Filipino, they call it pichay.
Pichay? Okay, we got Chinese cabbage, aka pichay in Filipino. We got right here. This was the hardest. Oh, guys, I gotta tell you this story. Today we traveled almost to all the Filipino stores, Asian stores, Sunshine Market, aka Farmers Market, to find this thing right here, guys. This is long beans. Long beans. And then we called my mom. My mom said, you know what, just go to Safeway, which is the most furthest away, if you consider it a Asian type of market. For us, it's kind of like a touristy, touristy non-Asian kind of place. So it would be like the last place you would look to find this thing right here. But we found it in Safeway, guys. There you go. Thank you very much, Safeway. Thank you very much. And then, Jess, are you gonna be inputting these eggplants? Yeah. All right, guys. So we got eggplants right here, guys. We got eggplants right there. Onion, garlic right over there, guys. What about this, Jess? Cabbage? You'll be inputting the cabbage also? No. No. Okay, the cabbage. I think that's. What about the potato over here? The potato? No. No. Okay, no potato. So that's. Those are the basic ingredients. And then you know I'm gonna hit the shower, and then after I hit the shower, I'm gonna film. I'm gonna film Jess cooking it, guys. All right. All right. So, there, Jess, you can talk Tagalog since going to see your mama, right?
No.
Or Bisaya. Okay.
What?
Yeah.
You can see that.
Okay, so Jess is just chopping up the long beans, right, Jess? That's it. Yeah. So tell the crew why you couldn't just get regular string beans. Why it has to be long beans?
Different.
Different texture?
Yeah.
Especially when you cook it, it just...
It's different texture.
Oh,
the string beans and the long beans is different.
Oh, okay.
So it cannot be.
Alright guys, so it has to be long beans. And that's why we looked hard. I don't know how many days, 2 days, 3 days, Jess was looking for these long beans, guys. Okay, so it has to be long beans. Look at that, guys. Look at the skills. Skills of Jessie. Girl. Alright, Jess? Jess, can I run my hands through your hair? Just kidding, Jess. That's a joke, guys. Look it up, guys. Look it up. Okay. You don't want to do that on the dining table, really?
No.
No? You sure? That looks unstable. Okay. Just cutting up these long beans over here. Look at the skills. Alright, guys. We've got the eggplant going off there. There it is. Just fly on it. Jess is going off, guys. Look at that. Look at the skills. Oh, just fly them, man. You okay there? Just flying them like nothing? God, you. Oh, yeah, it's splashing it part of the deal here? What's going on here? It's wet under here. Oh. Oh, wow, Jess. Nice save. Nice save. Sheesh. Alright, guys, so Jess didn't wait up, but she cut up the heart, and it looks like this, guys. There it goes. There it goes, guys. Look at that.
The heart.
There it is. And you threw it away already. Okay.
Throw it in the plastic bag. They sit on earlier.
Yeah, I know, but like I said, I wanted to show the crew and show your mom, you know, you cutting up the heart. Okay, guys, look at that. Look at the ingredients. So nicely laid out, Jess. Good job. Look at that. Ooh. And then the usual tomato, onion,
That's for
and
this
garlic.
one.
And what is it? Is this part of it too?
That's part of it, but you're gonna mix it. You have to put on the side.
Oh, okay. So this goes on the side. Yeah, we'll show you that later. All right, Jess. Jess is a Facebook addict. Just to let you guys know. All right, so Jess whipped up something over here. Jess, what did you whip up? What is that?
The one?
Yeah, what is that?
It's rice flour. And then, rice flour become big now.
Rice flour.
Yeah. Flour, rice flour, and because I don't have the associated for making the color to be red, I just buy this one because I don't have right here the plant. That's what I call associated for making.
I've never heard of that. A sushi? Annatto powder?
Yeah.
I've never heard of this, guys.
Just to making the color.
Oh,
Just like a food coloring.
okay.
But I don't have the plant, that's why. It's nice if we have the plant,
What
but
plant?
I don't have it.
What plant?
to make the color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one, but I just get the powder because I cannot find it. So, just a rice flour, and then you put just a little bit of salt, and then you're gonna mix it later, and you're gonna put right there, but not now. So, if there's not enough the redness, I'm gonna go additional more that one. Just only a little bit when I put. Yeah.
All right. Okay, and look at this, guys. Just prepared. All this. Look at the presentation, guys. So nice. And it looks like she's gonna saute something or fry something here.
That's for the eggplant.
For the eggplant?
Yeah.
So you have to cook the eggplant by itself. Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh,
You have to fry it first, the eggplant. Because I don't like cook it the eggplant. So. The rice is just I have to half cook only.
Alright, guys.
Just making for half cook only that.
Okay.
This is the avocado oil.
Avocado oil,
Yeah,
guys.
it's really good. So you have to cook it just like that. Oh shit! Oh shit! It scared me. Oh, I never knew that. I just set my own. I have to go cook it outside. They have water, that's why. Sorry guys, but they have water to cook it.
Oh shit! Whoa!
Oh no!
You do it outside, man. Turn it off.
No. It's right there already.
Yeah? You sure? Wanna make it low or something?
I did.
Oh, you did it. Okay. Oh, that's better, guys. Okay. My God, we gotta wipe up over here, nigga. Holy camole, guys. Look at that. Ooh, avocado oil is going off.
Oh, sheesh.
Man.
Scared me
Hardcore.
too.
No, I think maybe the video was too high.
Because, no, because it's wet, that's why I washed it.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
No worries, guys. We're
So
gonna
you
wipe
have
up
to-
over here. No worries. You okay? Did it hit your eye? No?
Something hit my eye.
Uh-oh. I
wait.
hope you're okay. Okay. Alright, guys. Look
I
at
have to make a load of the
eggplant, guys. It is cooking good. Look at that.